Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chase bill pay account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Chase bill pay account, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Chase bill pay login like this and hit enter. And after that you can see the online payments credit card, but we'll be logging into the Chase online bill pay personal banking from over here, which is the first one. Let's click on the first one. Now this website is from the Google itself. Now to log into your Chase bill pay account, you can see the place where you need to enter your username and your password over here. Enter your username and password, and after that click on sign in to log into your Chase bill pay account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username / password over here, and then you'll be taken to the procedure where you can retrieve your password or your username depending upon which one you want to retrieve. Or if you have not yet signed up for Chase online bill pay, you can see the sign up now button over here. Click there and you can go through a procedure where you can sign up for Chase online bill pay account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Chase online bill pay account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.